Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Free. In the last tutorial we went through the basic operations on functions. In this lesson, we'll be looking at composite functions. Find the composition of f of g of x. This is not a dot. It's a small open circle which means composition, so don't confuse this sign for multiplication. We can write the formula as f connecting to g, and g connecting to x. When finding the composition, the function that is first always becomes the input. Here 9x means 9 multiplying by x. The value for x in f of x will be what g of x is equal to. And we now bring back the plus 2. We are doing great so far. We want to use the distributive law to clear the brackets. 9 times 2x equals 18x. 9 times minus 3 equals minus 27. We write back plus 2. Minus 27 plus 2 gives minus 25. And the final answer is 18x minus 25. f of x equals 9x plus 2. And g of x equals 2x minus 3. Find the composition of g of x. The function g comes first, so we have to use it as the input. Whatever f of x is equal to, we'll use it as the value for x in g of x. f of x, which is equal 9x plus 2, will be the value of x in g of x. And we write back a minus 3. It's time to now clear the brackets. 2 times 9x equals 18x. 2 times 2 gives 4. We bring down the 3. 3 minus 4 gives 1. And the answer is 18x plus 1. If f of x equals 4x minus 2, and g of x equals the square root of x plus 2, find the composition of g of f of x. Since the function g of x is first, it will be used as the input value. For x in g of x, we replace it with 4x minus 2. And we write back this 2 after. Working out what's inside the square root, we do minus 2 plus 2 and that gives 0. We are only left with the square root of 4x, and that will be the final answer when we work out g of f of x. Using the same functions, let's find what f of g of x would be equal to. Since f is first, we have to use it as the input function, and since the function g comes after, we have to use it as the value for x in the function f of x. So that would be 4 times the square root x plus 2. And we then write back minus 2. And that is the answer when we find f of g of x. What if you are asked in exam to find f of g of minus 4? Since g is connected to minus 4, We would have to replace x with minus 4 in the function g of x. Multiplying 2 by minus 4, we get minus 8. Minus 8 minus 2 gives minus 10. We found what g of minus 4 is equal to. We get minus 10. So we will be replacing g of minus 4 with minus 10. Since minus 10 is the answer, 3 times minus 10 gives minus 30. Minus 30 plus 9 gives minus 21. And that's the final answer. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Or you could just send us an email through our email provided in the description.